Are you driving an Audi and you would like to activate or deactivate the interior monitor option, but you don't know how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to activate and deactivate the interior monitor option in your Audi. But first, help us grow the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi M&I menu and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service. Scroll down. By clicking on Interior Monitor, you can activate or deactivate the interior monitor option in your Audi. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.